Hi everybody, my name is Jorge Andres Sosa, and the next video is for the step 3 for the course BNT of the University, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Okay, how important is to assess the appropriateness of different valuation methods of intangible assets of the competitive in market condition of technology innovation? Almost all companies have a commercial name or one or more brands and should consider protecting them. Most the company usually have valuable commercial information of a confidential nature, from customer lists to sales tactics, which should be protected. It's impossible that a large number of them have developed original and creative drawings and models. For this reason, the possibility of buying or acquiring the rights for use by means of the license should be considered, in order to avoid disputes and the corresponding burdensome litigation. How important is to assess the appropriateness of different valuation methods of intangible assets, the competitive in market condition of technological innovations? It is known now that the most obvious are tangible assets such as property, plant, and equipment, which determine their book value. But today it's much more important the evaluation of human knowledge, know-how, competitive personnel, intellectual property, brands, consumer maintenance, and knowledge about market behavior are some of the intangible assets that they add of the real value that a company has in the market. For example, a brand can represent 18 or 19% of the value of the company, as is the case with the North American companies. The administration of the intangibles is a relevant concept for the company, since it not only refers to administering the workforce, nor does it try to focus on controlling the cost of the product or service, but also seeks to increase its value and in the benefits. Why it's important to be capable of developing and negotiating of technological assets in order to achieve the organization's social and business goals. It is important to base the negotiation on understanding the points that have more or less value on our part and vice versa. To make exchange of the value during the negotiation, both parties of the agreement have to be aware and flexible when negotiating, where communication is important and all solutions must be objectively evaluated, knowing this can achieve positive results in the objective of our organization. And how important is to find solution to improve Colombian enterprise digital information? Okay, first, improve the ability to respond to change in the environment and demands of digital consumers. Increase productivity by automating obsolete process and training staff. Acquire new business opportunities by making use of the new communication channels. Cope with the competition of digital native business. Collectively, collect the big data to make better informed decisions. Have direct and effective communication with your consumers. Keep employees motivated. Boost the culture of innovation. Easily adapt new technologies such as blockchain and machine learning. Facilitate internal communication. Optimize the user experience. Reduce costs. Renew corporate image. Okay, it's all. Bye bye. Thank you so much.